Hello everyone, I am Fareen Hina and welcome to my new video. In this video today I am going to tell you the parts of speech, and the subtopic for today's parts of speech is nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are names of peoples, places, animals or things. For example, Sam bought some pencils from the shop around the corner. Over here, Sam is a name, pencils, thing, shop, corner, place. Exercise of nouns. Sam has packed all his luggage. In this sentence, luggage is a noun. Number 2. I have a bag of rice. Rice is a noun. Number 3. Your scissors are quite dull. Scissors are noun. Let's move forward to the kinds of nouns. Proper noun, common noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, material noun, compound noun, collective noun. Let's move forward to proper noun, names of particular persons, places, animals or things. For example, Rida, Europe, Jupiter. Exercise of proper noun. I met James at the post office. Over here, James is a proper noun. Which is the capital city of Australia? Australia is a proper noun. Number 3. Peter is my classmate. Peter is a proper noun. Number 4. Millions of people speak English as a second language. English is a proper noun. Number 5. The Amazon River is the largest river in the world. Amazon is a proper noun. Common noun. Common nouns are the name of any person, place, animal or thing in general. For example, lady, school, cat, fan. Exercise of common noun. The boy ran to his mother. In this sentence, there are two common nouns, boy and mother. Number 2. I gave my book to Ria to read. Over here, book is a common noun. Number 3. Samuel is a noble king. Over here, king is a common noun. The author wrote a crime novel. In this sentence, novel is a common noun. Countable noun. The countable nouns are those nouns that can be counted. For example, cupboard, coin, note, computer. Exercise of countable noun. Number 1. There are 7 books on the table. 7 books is countable noun. Number 2. Mariam ate 2 ice creams. 2 ice creams are countable noun. Number 3. A few days later, I went to see my grandmother. Few days are countable noun. Number 4. Ali has 3 pair of shoes. 3 pair are countable noun. Concrete noun. Concrete nouns are things that you can touch, see, hear, smell or taste. For example, table, elephant, school, station, teacher. Exercise of concrete noun. Number 1. John saw a movie. Here, movie is a concrete noun. Number 2. These apples taste sweet. Over here, taste is a concrete noun. Number 3. The teacher was teaching. Teacher is a concrete noun. Abstract noun. Abstract nouns cannot be felt by the 5 senses. They speak of ideas, feelings and concepts. For example, anger, thickness, danger, happiness. Exercise of abstract noun. Number 1. Happiness has increased in the city. Over here, happiness is a abstract noun. Number 2. To learn new skill, you need patience. Over here, there are two abstract nouns, skill and patience. Number 3. The loud noise made Annie upset. Again in this sentence, there are two abstract nouns. Number 1, noise and upset. Let's move forward to the material noun. These are the names of substance from which different things are made. For example, sand, sugar, meat, cotton, silk. Exercise of material noun. The chair is made up of wood. Wood is a material noun. Number 2. I like gold rings. Gold is a material noun. Number 3. She has purchased a tea set of silver. Silver is a material noun. Let's move forward to compound nouns. When two other nouns are combined to form a single noun, the result is a compound noun. For example, buttermilk, policeman, football, toothpaste. Exercise of compound noun. Number 1. We played football today for 2 hours. Here, football is a compound noun. Number 2. My mom gives me breakfast daily at 7 a.m. Breakfast is a compound noun. Number 3. Greenhouse is a place where we grow plants. Greenhouse is a compound noun. Number 4. I wake up daily before the sunrise. Sunrise is a compound noun. Next is collective noun. Refers to a group of people, places, animals or things spoken as one. For example, flock of birds, pack of carts, herd of cows, fleet of ships. Exercise of collective noun. The captain guided the team to play better. Here, team is a collective noun. Number 2. Can you pass me the bunch of keys? Bunch is a collective noun. Number 3. The cheerful audience listened to the concert. Audience is a collective noun. Number 4. The board decided to appoint David as the manager. Board is a collective noun. So viewers, I hope that this video was useful for you all. Do let me know in the comment section and meet you in the next video.